How to dislike videos on TikTok. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to dislike videos on TikTok. Okay, straight into it. First, open up the TikTok app and check out your For You page. Keep scrolling until you find a video you're not as fond of and would prefer not to see more videos of that nature in your feed. Once you find one, tap the share button on the right. In the menu that appears, select Not Interested. This lets TikTok know that you didn't like that video and will inform them not to show you similar videos in the future. Continue doing this whenever you come across a video that you don't like. Continuously indicating what you like and don't like on TikTok will result in a For You page that is better tailored to your own interests. And that's all it takes to dislike videos on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.